So we have to start from the okay. So we have to start from the next topic, that is use a vector to describe the position of a point in the in two dimensions. So the position vector of a point A is the vector OA. OA means that O is basically the origin point, right? Where O is the origin point, OA is usually written as vector small a, right? So it means that if you have a Cartesian plane and this is the point A, so if you are finding the value or finding the position vector of A, it begins from the origin and end at A. So this is O, this is A. So the whole vector is named as small a bar, right? So this can be written as. So the position vector has the dimension from origin to that point. OA is equals to small a. AB means that B minus A. How? So if you are finding the value of AB, it means that this OB minus OA, or you can also say that OB plus OA, right? So this is OB. So OB is basically small b, and what is OA? OA is this one. So if you are finding the value of AB, so this is difficult that OB is not used. So we use in place of OB, that is BO, right? Or you can also use this way, and you can also use OB or OA plus OB. It's up to you, right? So this is the reason, because AB, and simply AB can be written as AO plus OB, and AO is not given, so we can write it as minus times OA plus OB. So we can also write it as OB minus OA. So it means that AB vector is equals to OB minus OA. Is it okay? Where
Yes.
OB is the position vector from origin to point B, and OA is position vector from origin to point A. And we can say that from origin to point A, its position vector will be small a, and from origin to vector B, its position vector will be small b, right? So this is the hint. Use the triangular law to find AB is equals to OA plus OB, AO plus OB. AO can be converted into OA. It will becomes minus A plus B. So AB is equals to B minus A. So this is the result. Okay. So next example is that example 9. In the diagram, the point A and B have position vectors AB. So this is the origin. From origin to A, it will be small a. Origin to B, it will be small b. Respectively, refer to the origin O. The point P divides AB in the ratio A ratio B. So 1 ratio 2. This is the point P which cuts the straight line AB in that ratio. Okay. So we have to find the position vector of P. How we can find the position vector of P? First of all, we can find the value of AB. How we can find the value of AB? AB is basically equals to B minus A. So AB is equals to small b minus small a. And OP. OP is equals to OA plus AP. Right? This is the triangular law on that small triangle. So you can say that the total length of the AB is, let's suppose, 3 times B minus A. Okay, this is the total length of AB. Why 3 times? Because it has the ratio 1:2. The total terms are 1 plus 2, that will be 3. So it means that the total length is 3 times B minus A. So 3 times B minus A, from this 3 times B minus A, what is the value of AP? AP is basically 1 unit, so it will becomes 1 over 3 times B minus A. So this is the value of OP. Okay, sorry, AP. After finding the AP, we just put the value of AP into this equation, and we also know that what is the value of OA, that is small a. So it will become, so OP is equals to small a plus 1 over 3 times B minus A is equals to 2 over 3 A plus 1 over 3 B. Right? In this example, do you have any problem?
No.
Okay, after that example, you have to do the question number 2 and 1 from the exercise 3. So first of all, you have to do example 9 quickly. Okay, do it fast.
Okay.